Hi everybody and welcome back. Tonight we are going to make a really good fall dish. So I don't know where you guys are from, but here in Indiana today it has gotten a little bit on the nippy side, and our highs are in the 60s, so it truly feels like fall and it looks like fall with all the colors of the trees outside. So I decided to make this recipe that I just found on Pinterest. It is a chicken apple cider onion stew. So let's get started. While that's still cooking, I'm going to go ahead and microwave some cauliflower rice up. It's garlic and herb. Okay, so the cauliflower rice is done. I'm going to open up. I put a couple pats of butter in my bowl so it can melt as soon as I pour this hot cauliflower rice into it. I'm going to add some salt. Get this stirred up. And now I'm going to dish up some cauliflower rice and stew. This smells so good. These apples in the stew almost look like potatoes. Okay, let's give it a try. Oh, yum. This is a good one. Those apples just set it off with the thyme and the salt, and this is so good. You guys gotta try it. See you in the next one. Have a good night.